Why should one start investing in the stock market, or more specifically ETF investing for beginners in Germany? I get a lot of questions from people who are scared on how to actually start investing in stocks and ETFs, because when you look at the stock market, stocks go up and down. There's a lot of fluctuation going on. Specifically, if you started investing in the start of 2022 or by the end of November 2021, actually everything was going down. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, it was going down because of the recession, and then specifically since the war in Ukraine, things got bad also. But what I want you to understand is the compounding effect. What this means is if you invest 100 euros and the market returns 10 euros, or if the market returns 10%, now this 100 euros that is invested would become 110 euros without you actually selling this thing. So you'll have paper profit. So this is 110 euros. This is now the new base. If you don't invest even a single euro and the market returns again 10% in the next year, you will have another 11 euros based on this 110 euros. Because the first investment was 100 euros, 10 euros was the profit from your first year. Now the new baseline was 110 euros. So based on 110 euros, you get another profit, another and another. So this is the compounding effect. If you invest a small amount and keep on investing, this will not only increase your base amount, but it will also increase value of your investment is increasing. So this is really important, because the earlier you start, the more opportunity your money has to work and grow in the future. So if I were to make this video for myself, when I came to Germany in 2015, I would say please open an account and buy at least one stock or even an ETF. Right now you can start with just 1 euro, and there are no account opening fees, no account maintenance fees if you go with Trade Republic or Scalable Capital. And you can buy an ETF and you can run a savings plan on Trade Republic or Scalable Capital for just 1 euro per month. So what I would tell myself is that investing is similar to going to the gym. You go into the gym, you see different machines, you learn about different exercises, which muscle group is being targeted by which exercise, which machine. So you don't see results in just one day or a month or even a year. You learn and you do and you build up your muscle. And investing is something quite similar as well. You start investing, you learn about different things like individual stocks, what are the different statistics, what are the different things that you need to understand within each individual stock, like what is EPS, what are earnings, what is revenue, what is PE ratio. There are so many things. And going to the ETFs, what is total expense ratio? What is the composition of this ETF? So you learn by doing this. Similar to the gym, you do your exercises, you do your reps, and with time you learn, with time your muscle grows. If your goal is more mobility, you also work on that, your mobility grows. So similar to that, if you start investing, you learn about different things, how every single thing works. One thing I would like to mention here is that investing is quite different than trading. So I'm not talking about trading, I'm talking about investing, mid to long term investing. So if you buy a stock for a mid-term investment, it's probably 2, 3, 5 years. And for long-term investment, it's like 10, 20 years till your retirement. It's better to be an investor than a trader, because if you're trading, then you would need even more time, more information about the trade that you're making, and most of us do not have that much time. But if that's your cup of tea, please do your research and do trades if you want. In addition to my YouTube channel, I also have a website and a newsletter. In the newsletter, I send 1 or 2 emails to all of you guys every single month. Sometimes I share additional information in the newsletters that I don't share with the YouTube videos. So if you want to subscribe to the newsletter, I'll put a link in the description below. An example of the stuff that I share in the newsletter is I gave an opportunity to the people that have subscribed to my newsletter to download my new ebook that I'm working on. This would be my second ebook, as my first ebook was on investing for beginners in Germany. This is the basic guideline for taxes in Germany. It would help out a lot of people who do not know about how taxes work in Germany, how to file a tax return, what things can you claim in a tax return. So this might be really helpful for the people that are into that sort of thing. And if you want to know the step-by-step process on how to start investing in Germany as a beginner, you can watch this video. Thanks for watching. Bleib gesund. I'll see you in this video.